Okay guys, sorry for the weird angle, but welcome to another mukbang on my lunch break. This is a pickle, I guess. One of my favorite thing to eat, but look at this big veggie burger. Looks so good. I need to pose for a thumbnail. Well, can't wait to eat this. There's like avocado, tomato, onion, all the good stuff. It's just like falling out. This looks so yummy. It's so good. I really need to get me a tripod for this phone so I can do more mukbangs for you guys. It's so good. Go away, fly. It's my food. This is so bomb, guys. I was gonna have today off, and then my work called me to see if I could come in, so I came in. I've been watching American Horror Story. It's so good. That show's just crazy. My tater tots. Nobody could see them. It's so good. I always drink Dr. Pepper because my friend got me. I always drink Coke now because my friend got me into it. And I ordered a Dr. Pepper on impulse because this is what I always usually get. Paper straw. It's so good. I should say, can I have a large Dr. Pepper? Because I like a lot of soda. So much good food in there. Such a productive lunch break, guys. Get yummy food, film a YouTube video. I feel like I'm gonna be doing so many mukbangs because I haven't got to do them. Now I'm just gonna do a bunch of them. It's so yummy. It's a garden burger, avocado, lettuce, all that good stuff. Be skinny forever and don't eat animals. It's so good. My OOTD too while I'm at it. Got my coach belt on. What have you guys been up to? Let me know down below. I've been really busy. I'm working on lots of exciting things for you guys. Planning a new Halloween video I'm gonna do. I at least want to try to do one this year. With like some DIY, some decor. One of my favorite holidays, I gotta do a video for it, right? So yummy. I'm trying not to get it on my clothes. Flashed in my moonstone. Big piece of lettuce falls on the dirty table. Wish they gave me napkins. Should've asked. So yummy. Can't believe I'm filming a mukbang right now. I really need to get that tripod, but they won't deliver to me where I live. I need to go to Best Buy or something. Little ASMR for you guys. Last night was the full moon. And there's 2 more days left, but it's like almost midnight, and I was just going on a cleaning spree in my room spontaneously. I just got a burst of energy. It's so random. Not too dirty. It's so good. My tomato fell out. Get some of these tater tots. If you hear water, someone's gardening, so that's what the water is. 5 minutes into a mukbang. So yummy, I'm like so hungry. I was like sleeping this morning at like 8 and got a phone call. He's like, oh, can you come into work? I'm like, okay. So I didn't really get to eat, and now I gotta eat some food. So yummy. Wish I could get you the lake background, but this looks kind of classy with how I look. Instagram photo shoot. Oh, Shane Dawson's new video came out today. Can't wait to watch it. The Mine Jake Paul episode 1. I've been waiting for the new video so long. Let me know if you guys watch Shane too. It's just so funny. You wonder what's gonna happen. It seems like it's a crazy little season. Excuse me. Good. I don't want to bore you guys too long, but really good burger. What else have I been up to? I've been working a lot. Getting ready to do a Halloween video. Watching American Horror Story. This is so good. I'm just gonna eat. And this is why I do a to-go order, so I don't film a mukbang with everyone talking in the background. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed my mukbang. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Blessed be.